Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Ashish Khan Chaudhary. Today we discuss about international conversation and convenient in tribal entrepreneurship. It is related to module 8, lecture number 2. In this lecture we know that about importance of the international conversation and convenient in tribal entrepreneurship. In this lecture we also try explore the concept of an international conversation and convenient on tribal entrepreneurship. We will discuss what is, why it is important, and what is might entail. Tribal entrepreneurship has the potential to contribute to economic development, cultural preservation, and self-determination for tribal communities around the world. An international conversation and convenient could be a significant step forward in fostering this potential. In this lecture, we covered concept regarding international conversation and convenient. Also, we know about what is the meaning of the tribal entrepreneurship, why international conversation and convenient is important for the tribal entrepreneurship. Also know about existing efforts for the which type efforts are helpful for the both points, and how an international conversation and convenient can helpful for the tribal entrepreneurship. And also we covered overall impact of the international conversation and convenient for the tribal entrepreneurship, and try to justify with 2 case studies. Those are very helpful in international conversation and convenient. Those studies, one is Masai women through bedwork and business, that is international case studies, and second is about related to the worldly art, that is very popular with the help of the international collaboration, and it is a national case study. So in next point also we know concept of the international conversation and convenient. It means it is a fascinating one. It suggests a global dialogue and agreement focus on supporting and empowering tribal communities through business ventures. It is also focus on the international collaboration and international agreement. We know that international conversation is sharing knowledge. International conversation is identifying different types challenges, and it is also building network. We know that sharing knowledge is very helpful because this should involve exchanging best practices in tribal entrepreneurship across different countries, and this could include successful business model, navigating legal and regulatory hurdles, and also utilizing traditional knowledge for economic development. And it is also very important identifying challenges, because a conversation would highlight the common challenges faced by the tribal entrepreneurs. These might include access to capital, navigating complex market, and preserving cultural heritage while engaging in the business. So identifying challenges is very important for the international conversation. Third point is building network. Building network is also very helpful because the conversation could foster connection between tribal communities, investors, and support organizations around the world. Same as convenient and tribal entrepreneurship is also important for the guiding principle, important for the support mechanism, protection of rights. आप समझ सकते हैं गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल इज इस्टेब्लिश ए सेट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल फॉर प्रमोटिंग ethical and sustainable tribal entrepreneurship. It is also focus on the community ownership environmental responsibility, and cultural preservation within business perspective. Support mechanism is also helpful because it could advocate for international cooperation to create support structure for the tribal entrepreneurs, and this could include access to financing, training program, and mentorship opportunity. Last is protection of right. It is also convenient might address the need to protect the intellectual property rights and traditional knowledge of tribal communities engaged in business. So these points are very helpful for the both. Next is already discussed many times in previous lectures. What is tribal entrepreneurship? We know that tribal entrepreneur had a three broad concept that it referred to a business owned and operated by tribal communities, and this business can be based on traditional knowledge, skills, and resources. They can also be modern business that operate in mainstream market. So we can say tribal entrepreneurship is a broad term that a wide range of business. Tribal communities have a rich history of entrepreneurship, and they are increasingly starting business to create economic opportunity for themselves and their communities. Tribal business can be based on traditional knowledge, skills, and resources such as craft, such as agriculture, and different types tourism aspects. They can also be modern businesses that operate in mainstream market such as technology, healthcare, and education. Why international conversation and convenient important? इन दोनों की हमको ज़रूरत क्यों है? International conversation and convenient important because it is very helpful for the tribal entrepreneurship due to the following reason. First is share knowledge and best practices. It is very helpful for the global transaction, very helpful for the preparation of different types agreements. It is identify common challenges, those are create the problems in tribal entrepreneurship. It is also helpful and very important for the build network and partnership. If we want to start a new business with global market, so it is very necessary to build a strong network and partnership for the entrepreneurship. It is also very important promote ethical and sustainable tribal and entrepreneurship because both are very important for the any type of the business. क्योंकि अगर किसी भी बिजनेस में सस्टेनेबिलिटी और एथिकल रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है, एथिकल थॉट्स नहीं है, तो वो बिजनेस लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकता है. इट इज़ आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सपोर्ट ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप थ्रू एक्सेस टू फाइनेंसिंग, training and mentorship. These are the unique features for the international conversation and convenient. Next and last is the protect the intellectual property rights and traditional knowledge of the tribal communities. So we can say international conversation and convenient is the very important due to the following reasons. Those are mentioned in the slides. So there are several reasons why an international conversation and convenient on tribal entrepreneurship would be important. First, it would be provide a platform for tribal communities from around the world to share different types of knowledge and different type practices. This could help tribal entrepreneur to learn from each other success and different types challenges. It is also helpful to identify the common challenges faced by tribal entrepreneurs. This knowledge could be used to develop solutions that address these challenges. It is also very helpful to build different type networks and partnership between tribal communities, investors and supporting organizations. This could include access to financing, training program and mentorship opportunities. It is also address the need to protect the intellectual property rights and traditional knowledge of common communities engaged in the different types tribal entrepreneurship or tribal business. Existing efforts. Which type efforts support tribal entrepreneurship in India alongside international initiative? It means in addition to the international efforts you mention, which type efforts are specified in India or international conversation and convenient, those are helpful for the tribal entrepreneurship. यानी किस टाइप के एफर्ट्स हैं जो कि भारत में या इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हेल्पफुल हैं। जैसे नेशनल गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव, भारत में भी बहुत तरह के एफर्ट्स हैं लाइक मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स। दिस मिनिस्ट्री इम्प्लीमेंट वेरियस स्कीम टू प्रमोट ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप लाइक TEDP, Tribal Entrepreneurship Development Program. It is a collaborative effort with ASSOCHAM and it is a ASSOCHAM, ASSOCHAM. It is an industry association to provide training, market linkage and support for the tribal business. Next is One Dhan Vikas Yojana. It is also promote the marketing of tribal products under the brand name that is One Dhan. SHG, Self-Help Group. It is also encourage income generation active among tribal women including handicraft production and micro enterprise. Same as state government is also promoted this type effort and like microfinance loan, incubation center for the tribal business. Some of the NGO, those are developed their entrepreneurial skills and connect them to the market like business training workshop, like assistance with product design and marketing, help with established market linkage. And some of the educational institution is also supporting to tribal entrepreneurship specialized. They are also try to develop specialized courses on business management for tribal communities and incubation support for student-led tribal ventures. These efforts are related to the national initiative, but in our lecture we covered only international supports or international collaboration. So first is the World Bank. We know that India collaborate with World Bank on initiative that support tribal livelihood which can indirectly benefit tribal entrepreneurs. Second is international trade fair. It is also very important because government agencies might participation of tribal business in international trade fair to connect them with global market. So there are the road ahead by combining these existing efforts with the vision of an international conversation and convenient, India can further improve its support system for tribal entrepreneurship. This could involve, it is also mentioned in this slide, sharing successful model. Sharing successful model, it is the best practices from other countries been in India's program and it is very popular for the development of the tribal entrepreneurship. Knowledge exchange, it is also important because it is facilitating knowledge exchange between Indian tribal communities and international experts, and it is also provided some financial assistance for the development of the international conversation and convenient. Advocacy for the policy chain for the development of the any business related to the entrepreneurship, related to the business. So it is very important to address specific challenges faced by the Indian tribal entrepreneurs and informed by international discussion, and all these discussions are provided a positive response for the development of the tribal entrepreneurship. So overall, we can say for the development of the international conversation and for the convenient, it is very necessary both initiative provided by the international organization and national organization, very helpful for the society and very helpful for the communities. How an international conversation and convenient can help, it is already discussed in previous lecture, because these conversation and these types agreement provided a best practices from utilizing craft and modern market that are very valuable in society, and it is also give the message for the successful model for supporting tribal entrepreneurship for Latin America regarding community-based business or from Southeast India on utilizing traditional craft is a very valuable market concept and very valuable thought for the business building network. Indian tribal entrepreneur can connect with international investors, mentors and support organization. This can provide access to new market, funding and different type expertise related to the international conversation and related to the different types agreements. Advocacy for the policy change, it is also very important for the entrepreneurs those are stay in India, such as streamlining loan application process or creating a special economic zone for the tribal business. Those are very helpful for the development of the different types business activity. Protecting intellectual property, a convenient can address the issue of protecting the intellectual property and traditional knowledge of Indian tribal communities. Those are helpful for the IPR related problems and IPR related different types rules. It is also provided all 4 points sharing best practices, building network, advocacy for policy changes, protecting intellectual. All these points are very helpful for the, and it is also helpful for the removing the different type challenges like access to capital, like market access, like land right, cultural preservation, government initiative, and it is also fruitful biodiversity. Those are helpful for the sustainability, and it is also provided different types traditional knowledge. Those are the attract different aspects in the market, and it is very helpful for the in India related to the skill development, because here is the lot of the skill labors and they can on the basis of the international conversation and convenient agreement they can provided different types training program, different types capacity building. Those are developed skills and those are improve financial literacy, those are developed new market concept, and those are very helpful for the market linkage and connect tribal business with national and international market. It is also helpful for the sustainable practices, because with the help of the international conversation promoting sustainable business practices that protect the environmental and convert natural resource can be a key focus for the India. Overall impact. On the basis of the international conversation and different types agreement, there is a lot of the positive impact on the society. First is the empowering tribal communities. Which type empowerment. First is economic development, that is very helpful for the improvement of the improved access to capital market. Skill development can lead to increase income generation, and it is also generate job within tribal communities. Self determination is also important part because tribal entrepreneurs foster self reliance and empowered communities to manage their own economic development and try to improve different type of the capacity building skills. It is also very helpful for the cultural preservation for the tribal communities because the convenient can encourage business that integrate and celebrate traditional knowledge, leading to the cultural preservation and pride also, as well as belief and thought. Boosting the Indian economy with the international conversation and different types convenient, it is also very helpful for the Indian economy because it is also generate new type of the entrepreneurship and new innovation. Those are contribute new ideas, new products and services to the Indian economy. Those are generate new opportunity, job opportunity and other prospects in the society. Sustainable practices, it is also boosting the Indian economy because sustainable practices focus on sustainable business practices, promote responsible use of natural resource and environmental protection related thoughts. Market diversification, with the help of the international conversation and convenient market diversified on the access to the international market because it create new revenue streams and diversify the Indian economy. Third point is addressing the social issue because with the new concept of the international conversation and convenient, it is very helpful for the social issues like it is also poverty, it reduce poverty, it develop different concept related to the rural development. It is also very helpful for the social inclusion. Overall, we can say an international conversation and convenient on tribal entrepreneurship has the potential to be a game changer for tribal communities in India by fostering a supportive ecosystem and promoting sustainable practices. It can contribute to economic growth, social inclusion and cultural preservation. Next is the cultural studies. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला था कि इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन एंड कन्वीनेंट ऑन ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, इसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट क्या है नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल दोनों पे। एक मैंने यहाँ केस स्टडी लिया है, मसाई वोमेन थ्रू बेड वर्क एंड बिजनेस. इट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर case study for the international conversation and convenient on tribal entrepreneurship because it is enter the international conversation and it has a convenient in action for form a cooperative society. It is also try to develop skill development. It has a quality control. It has a cultural preservation and it has provided a fair trade certification. These are the important features for the convenient agreements and it has a positive outcomes for the society such as its increased revenue. It is also provided market diversification. It is also helpful for the community development and it is also cultural provide. It means also preserve the cultural heritage and protect the different types preservation. And this case study give a message to collaborate and it is very helpful for the skill development, fair trade and sustainability because through an international forum on tribal entrepreneurship, Masai women connect with an NGO specialized in supporting indigenous art. This NGO has experience working with cooperative in other countries to assess international market. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर इंटरनेशनल मार्केट के साथ जो NGO मिलके इस प्रोडक्ट को महिलाओं को प्रमोट करने के लिए जो उसने ज्वेलरी, बेड वर्क या इस टाइप का काम करने के लिए मार्केट में इंटरनेशनल कोलैबोरेशन किया था, दैट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द सोसाइटी। और आज की डेट में तंजानिया और केन्या इस मार्केट में बहुत ही आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो ये वर्क बना था ये तंजानिया और केन्या के बीच में मिलकर इंटरनेशनल कोलैबोरेशन हुआ था, जिससे कि ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बहुत ही तेज़ी से इम्प्रूव किया। अनदर केस स्टडी इज रिलेटेड टू द नेशनल, that is related to worldly art, and through international collaboration both case studies provided same action. It is here is already mentioned market access, branding, sustainable practices, documentation, storytelling, fair trade certification, skill development. All these are the specialized features in worldly art. Those are already discussed in previous class. It is provided good outcomes for the society like increase income, cultural preservation, market expansion, and it is very helpful for the sustainable livelihood. And it is also have a lesson for the learner, that is it is hint provided thoughts. You collaborate with international partners. It is also focus on sustainability, and it is also suggest for the helpful for the empowering communities. And we know also worldly art is very popular in different countries with the help of the international collaboration and international support. For the improvement of the international conversation and international convenience, it is our responsibility. These are the challenges, those are very important for the development of the international conversation and convenience. अगर हम इन चैलेंजेस को रिमूव कर दें तो आने वाले समय में ये इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन और कन्वीनियंट बहुत ही हेल्पफुल फॉर होगा ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के। It is our responsibility to maintaining quality, preserving cultural significance, try to internet accessibility, and try to remove different types of barrier in to collaboration like language, like thoughts, belief, and legal procedures, etc. So we can say tribal entrepreneurship has the potential to contribute to economic development, cultural preservation, and self-determination. An international conversation and convenience on tribal entrepreneurship being a significant step forward in fostering this potential. Overall, we can say tribal entrepreneurship is a powerful tool for tribal communities to improve their life, their thoughts by sharing knowledge, building network, and advocating for support. We can help tribal entrepreneurs to different activities. An international conversation and convenient on tribal entrepreneurship could be a major step forward in realizing the potential of ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। हम इस तरह कह सकते हैं कि ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को प्रमोट करने के लिए इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन एंड कन्वीनियंट एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले कर सकता है। नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी नो आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंस एंड डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ रिलेटेड टू द इंटरनेशनल कन्वर्सेशन एंड कन्वीनियंट ऑन ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। थैंक यू फॉर योर attention. Thank you very much.